something terrible happened right now. I had hit the go live button. This happened for the first time. I had hit the go live button. And I presumed that the live started because I had hit the go live button. I immediately went on to TradingView. I explained what happened today. And when I show TradingView website, I can't see the comments, okay? Because for me, the full site is only for TradingView. I came back to TradingView. I came back to my streaming software. And I could see that there are no comments. And I was like, why no one is commenting today? That is when I saw that the go live button was not pressed properly. And that is the reason why, let me just clarify this. I am not late. I actually did a live stream from 3 to 3:05 and it was only for me because it did not get streamed. Wow, this is the first time something like this happened. Technical glitch. I had pressed go live. It can't happen with me that I forget pressing go live and I just start talking, right? So, oh God, this worst. Okay. Anyways, chalo, I'll have to repeat the whole thing again now. Feels bad. I mean, I just did the analysis and it's going to be a retake. I mean, doing a take for my videos is okay, but doing a take for live stream, oh God, this happened for the first time in like last 5 years. Right. Monday blues, quite possible. I understand, right? Chalo, so I'm going to quickly share my screen. I'm going to tell what I was telling. I had also welcomed all new members, being Robin, Rahul, Shubha, Satya, Omkar, Subhalekha, and Amul. Second time welcome. Right. Super selfie stream. I know. Cool. Okay, chalo. So I'm going to quickly share about what the market looked like today. Why is it down? Thankfully, it is at least going close to 24,000 mark again. But what were the reasons? Everything we're going to quickly share. Today, I had some time. We are not working today. We'll resume our office tomorrow. And that is the reason why today I found time to also check some intraday movements. Generally, I don't do that. Everyone knows it. Today, I was checking the 15 minutes candle. Okay. After a long time, but I was checking that. And I got a very nice example of an inside bar. Now, if you can see here, the open is at 24,316.75. And the high is also 24,316.75. Okay, so this was a full-bodied candle to begin with. The 9:15 candle, it's almost a 1% candle. And if I were to draw a line here, so you can see inside bar, everyone knows, right? If it is broken on the downward side, then whatever is the height. So I'll just quickly draw this. This height ideally gets replicated. Okay, so I would just quickly replicate this here. And if it were to break on the upward side, it will get replicated on the top side. Okay, so you can see here the target was beautifully met in next 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 1.5 hours. This time I was a bit scared, and this is where I had created the live stream around 11. Just not sure whether it would break down further or not, but it actually took a very nice support of the inside bar target. And from there, it has been moving upward. But if you see here last 3-4 candles, look at the selling pressure which is coming from the top, and it's not able to sustain at higher levels. We can see some sort of selling pressure. Okay, so this is where we are right now. If I were to go to a daily time frame now, I'll just quickly delete this so that we get back to normal points. Alt R, and this is the low point which I have been talking about, which is the most important point. Today, intraday, this got broken for the first time after the budget day. So budget day, we touched this low. This is a budget day low. And this is like a very, very important support line. Now this got challenged today for the first time. And it went below that, but it is, let's see, last almost 22 minutes remaining. Let's see how is it able to stay above it or not. Ideally, it should, if it does, it will be good for us. Okay. Now, what caused all this volatility? Obviously, everyone knows about the upcoming US election. Tomorrow, US markets will be in like on a gas situation because they would want to see which political party comes up as a winner. Of course, tomorrow is the voting day. Okay, so tomorrow is a very, very important day for USA. Not only for USA, for US markets, for Indian markets as well, because the logic remains same, right? If a clear party is chosen as the winner, it is going to be good for their market as well and for our market as well, right? Any clear winner is important. If something like what happened in 2019, if you remember, the exact leader was like, I mean, there was a little bit of uncertainty. And you know what? In India, like we have the EVM, we have electronic voting machines. That doesn't happen in USA. They don't have EVMs. So it's going to be a physical counting. So if tomorrow, I mean, I mean, tomorrow the voting will end. Day after tomorrow, we should be able to get the result, just like we call exit polls and all that, right? So ideally, day after tomorrow, we should be able to understand who is the winner. But if it's like a very tight tussle, then it's going to be next. I think 2019. It took almost 1 month plus, is what I remember. 1 month plus to finally decide who is the winner. I think it was in January 2020 ke aspas when the final winner was declared, and Joe Biden came up to, I mean, started his office. So important point is that right now, if you ask me, am I going to buy today? Answer is no, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days back to back, are really important. We'll have to see what happens in the USA, because that is what is going to impact us as well. So I personally am not buying anything today. I would not also be buying anything tomorrow, because we could see some, like we saw a wild move today. Whenever uncertainty is up, markets do fluctuate quite a bit. And it's not worth putting our hard-earned money in there. One installment, for those who have been watching my Thursday live stream, one installment I've already parked in the market. Second installment, if 23,800 is broken, I may think of the second installment as well. But that all depends on how US election comes up. So to the other points, everyone knows, right? FII selling continues. Second thing is about the quarterly results. Not that all these things, those who are following my Thursday live stream already know about that. One new point is about the US election, right? Which is going to happen tomorrow. The voting is going to happen tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, maybe we'll come to know who is the winner. I am not, a great expert of US election and all that, but whatever I have read over the internet, whatever content I've consumed over that, many people who are the experts in that area believe that if Trump were to come out as a winner, it would be good for the US stock market as well as the Indian stock market. Again, this is nowhere my political inclination or my expertise. That's nowhere my expertise area. But whatever I've read over the net, I have consumed content. Many people, many experts believe that from a clear-cut stock market perspective, it would be beneficial if Trump wins this election. What I can do for you is that I can make a short video tomorrow based on whatever I have read, whatever videos I've consumed, into a small, like 10 minutes video on what are my understandings and my learnings based on the experts that I have, read their articles, viewed their videos. Based on that, I can just do a 10 minutes or a lesser version of that as a small video, and I can put that up on the channel. Just let me know in the comment section whether you would want me to make this video or not. So till you post your yes or no, a quick reminder for everyone. So what am I going to do right now? Am I going to invest? No, I'm going to wait and watch for another 2 days. Today, tomorrow, today, I'm not going to invest today, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow, would want to just wait and watch a little bit. Let's see how the markets go on. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of yes please and yeses. Meenakshi is asking why Reliance is going down. It's just the overall market mood, which is just dragging down all the heavyweight champions as well. I think one stock which is performing really well in this whole dramatic situation is SBI. SBI is doing really well. I'll just quickly share my screen. Public sector banks are showing some signs of strength. And if you see here, this is a big inside bar again, which is being formed. It's a 5% candle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, tried to go beyond this inside bar. And this is when the markets have crashed like anything. In that situation, also, SBI is showing strength. So happy to see that overall. So public sector banks, PSB space is a shade more, strong as compared to the overall market. So definitely looking forward for this public sector bank space as a whole. All right, so this is what I wanted to share. Anyone who is scared right now, please don't invest. Stay calm. Let us see what happens with the US elections. I will make a video to whatever my learnings are, and we'll put up on the channel. So this is one point. Second point, this Thursday we don't have a live stream. I'll be out of town. So this Thursday chutti for the live stream. Azad Engineering is one more stock. Yes, of course, you're right. It was up almost 14% what I saw in the morning today. They got a huge order, and that is the reason why it's just a news-based thing why it is up, right? So that is it. Last point is today is the last day for my courses. So for specific coupon codes. So let me just put this. RR combo is the coupon code for any combination course if you want to enroll, and Diwali is the coupon code for any single course that anyone would want to enroll. Today is the last day. Otherwise, I mean, anyone who is wanting to enroll for any of the courses, please don't forget to use the coupon code Diwali for a single course, RR combo for a combination of courses. Last day for all these coupon codes, right? I think this is just a short stream that I wanted to do. Azad Engineering, I did answer that, Vijay. Piccolo is asking, does the Hyundai IPO pull out the liquidity from the market where FIs are selling but DIs and retailers are not matching up? I don't think it's only about the Hyundai IPO. It's way beyond that. CAMS is doing well. I remember I was watching CAMS today in the morning. It was like up 4%. Ooh, huge selling. Today morning it was up 4%. Right now it's up only 0.5%. But overall doing well. Cochin Shipyard, of course, that is also one more stock which has corrected massively from the top. Early signs of reversal is what we can see, but in the overall market scenario right now, again, would want to just check more rather than being in Marathi we call haurat, and should not be greedy like anything. Wait, analyze, be calm, and maybe in chunks, whichever stock you feel is a fundamentally strong stock. It's a time to buy in chunks, not at one shot. Sudarshan says, ma'am, I wish to buy courses. Definitely go ahead. Don't forget to use the coupon codes that you can see on the screen. Madam, I think Nifty is doing double bottom, says Komali Yadav. Let me check. Nifty double bottom. Okay, you may say that, but not exactly. I mean, not a textbook pattern double bottom. No. What about AFCONs? Yeah, AFCONs. I mean, today, let me just check. I think it got listed at a discount. Post that, it has recovered pretty nicely. From its open price, it is up 12%, 11, 12%. Wow. See, fundamentally, it's not a bad stock. The only problem that I can see is the net profit margin, which is barely, I remember shooting the video for AFCONs, it was 3 point something percent. So very low net profit margin. Otherwise, the projects that they are doing, all that is good. Only problem is with the net profit margins, right? All right. I think that is it. It's almost 12, 13 minutes. I'll see you on some other live stream. Tomorrow, I'll definitely make a video on US elections and Indian stock market. Don't forget to watch that. I'll see you in the next one. Ashfaq says, I purchased combo looking to learn new things, ma'am. Ashfaq, I'm sure you'll learn a lot, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you in the next live stream. Till then, take care. Jai Hind. Bye.